Hi everyone, in this video, we will show you how to change Gmail phone number in 2023. First of all, open up the Gmail app on your mobile device. When you get into the app, click on your profile icon from the top right corner. Then tap on the Manage Your Google Account option from here. Go into the Personal Info option. You can see your phone number in the Contact Info option. Tap to open it. As you can see, there is a pen icon right above your phone number. Tap on it. First, you need to enter your password to verify that it's you. Tap on Next to proceed further. Again, tap on Edit option. As you can see, it says that updating your number will change your phone number for some Google services. Tap on the Update Number option given below. Now enter the new number that you'd like to use. Once you're done, tap on Done, then select Next to go ahead. Tap on the Get Code option to receive a verification code. If it is showing any error, go back and tap on Account Recovery. Enter your password to confirm your verification. Tap on Next button to go ahead. Here, you'll see your recovery phone number. To change it, tap on the pen icon given right next to it. Your phone number will be used for security purposes, such as helping you get back into your account if you ever forget your password. So, you need to enter the phone number. Once you're done, tap on the Next button from your bottom right corner. Then select the Get Code button. You'll receive a code on your given number that you will need to add right here. If you get any error doing so, you can simply go back and delete the number. Once the number is removed, you'll have the option of Add Now. Tap on it and add your new number. Right after that, you can do the verification process. Once the verification process is completed, your number will be updated on Gmail account along with other apps where it is connected. Thanks for watching. Like the video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this.